Have you ever felt like the Department of Veterans Affairs is holding back the secrets to getting your claims approved? You're not alone. Millions of veterans experience frustration, confusion, and rejection when navigating the claims process. Today, I'm here to share with you one of the biggest secrets the VA doesn't want you to know: the Caluza Triangle. This simple yet powerful tool can turn your claim's fate around and increase your chances of approval every single time. The Caluza Triangle is rooted in a landmark legal case from the 1990s concerning the claims of a veteran named Caluza. This case established three essential elements that the VA must consider when reviewing claims: present medical evidence, a clear nexus between your service and the condition, and an official diagnosis. Understanding these components is crucial for any veteran looking to get their claims approved. Surprisingly, many veterans overlook this framework, leading to unnecessary denials. So let's break down each part of the Caluza Triangle. First, we have the requirement for a current disability. This means you cannot simply speak about symptoms. You need to provide solid medical evidence that confirms your condition. Gathering your medical records, getting statements from healthcare providers, or undergoing official examinations can bolster your claim significantly. Always remember, tangible proof is key. Next up is the proof of nexus, essentially establishing that your current condition is directly linked to your military service. This can sometimes be tricky, but it's where solid documentation and first-hand accounts come into play. Consider gathering service records, logbooks, or even buddy statements from fellow veterans who can attest to how your service may have contributed to your condition. The clearer the connection you establish, the stronger your claim will become. Finally, the official diagnosis. This is where many veterans struggle. You must have a formal diagnosis from a qualified medical professional to support your claim. If you're uncertain about your diagnosis, seeking a second opinion might help clarify things. Once you have that diagnosis, make sure to include it in your claim package. It's one of the foundations of the Caluza Triangle and must not be overlooked. Understanding the Caluza Triangle is crucial for veterans wanting to successfully navigate the VA claims process. By focusing on presenting strong medical evidence, establishing a clear service connection, and obtaining a solid diagnosis, you can significantly enhance your chances of getting your claims approved. Don't let confusion and misinformation stop you. Embrace this knowledge and take control of your claims process today.